Well, I am showing you this lovely picture, flowers, and Lazy Susan because what I'm going to talk about is sitting on top of it. I've just about had it trying to ponder what I was going to do with my dishwasher, whether to sell it. I knew I wasn't going to use it anymore because I've had dishwashers before, and the amount of time it takes to get the food off of the plates and everything, and then load it up, and you got to wait for it to load. I could have been a wash 3 days worth of dishes. I'd rather wash the dishes. So I have made it a cabinet to house the things I do not have a place to house, but it's an extra cabinet to me. And it's just a few things that I have put in here. So stick around and see what all I have in it for now. And if you're tired or have thought about not using it or selling it, and you need some extra space to store things, then here's my solution to that problem. I just had it. I just cannot see myself continuing to wipe the dish out. First, you got to get the food off it, rinse it a little bit, then put it in the dishwasher. And I don't know if you've had this problem when you wash especially the glasses, there are spots, and then they want you to buy another type of product to get that out. So it's just me, hopefully, and not anyone else who could be through washing all of the dishes. I wash dishes as I cook. So when the eating is over, there are not many dishes anyway for me. That's just for me. So stay tuned, and I'll show you both levels of this dishwasher. Brand new. I've never used it. And while you're here, would you like, comment, and subscribe? And if you subscribe, please hit that bell twice so you can be alerted by notification that I have uploaded a new video. And to subscribe costs you nothing. No money. It's free. Just to subscribe is free. Thank you all. Now here on the top shelf, I put some florals. They're long enough to fill it up. I don't know how many stems. I would say at least 10 to 15 stems I have in there. And then I decided to put my boxes here. And they can stand up. Or you can lay them sideways. The glasses, you could do them several ways. I chose to lay them down. And I got 2 here. And then I had space to put these 2 items here. And then these 4 items, you can either lie them down or stand them up like I have them. It's really up to you. And then the second shelf, I have the plastic spoons. I'm going to put some real silver ware in there. My place where I got my lighter, some ribbon in this first one here. And I have an extra one that I put just a few spoons, forks in back there. And then this little area here is like a compartment where I have my napkins and table mats, placemats. And then as you can see, saucers, real and paper plates. And then these are some odd-shaped dishes. Here's some mats over here. More paper plates and some more real dishes here. And I had some crafting paper here, so I just put this here. And everything is contained and it look neat. I'll know where everything is. I won't have to be trying to figure out where I put it, because I do that sometimes. Thank you for being here. I'm not trying to tell you not to use your dishwasher. That would be just silly of me. I'm just saying I have made a good choice not to use it for its intended purpose, but for my extra cabinet, if you will. Thank you again. Until the next video, this is Stephanie at Traditional Home.